Hello all and welcome back. Today we are going to create this beautiful gear shape infographic using PowerPoint. So let's get started. Let's first enable the guides and then format the background with two-step linear gradient. Change the gradient direction and stop colors as shown. Feel free to play with colors and then adjust the stop positions as required. Next, go to Insert tab and then draw the halo circle shape holding down Ctrl and Shift keys. Remove its outline and increase its transparency to see through. Again, go to Insert tab and this time draw a triangle shape. Remove its outline, change its fill color and increase its transparency to see through. Now flip this triangle shape vertically and align it centrally to slide along the vertical guide. Next, duplicate this triangle shape using Ctrl+D, rotate it by 90 degrees towards the left and align it along the horizontal axis. Again, duplicate this triangle shape using Ctrl+D, rotate it by -30 degrees and align it as shown. Duplicate this triangle shape one more time for the last time, rotate it by -60 degrees and align it as shown. All this triangle shape must be pointing towards the center of slide. Next, select all these shapes and fragment them together. Select all the sections we are in need of and then cut them. Select remaining unnecessary shapes and then delete them. Finally, paste the three shapes which we had cut before. Next, go to Insert tab and then draw a triangle shape at the end of the first shape and then union them together. Next, select all these shapes and group them together. Duplicate this group using Ctrl+D. Flip it once vertically and then horizontally and align it as a mirror image. If in case you feel these shapes are not aligned in a circular pattern, just go to Insert tab and then draw a circle through center of slide. And then align this group of shapes along the circle as shown. Once done, delete the reference circle shape. Let's ungroup both of these shapes. Now select any one shape and format it with two-step linear gradient. Change the stop colors to light gray and white color. And adjust the gradient angle as shown. Next, making use of Format Painter, apply this gradient pattern to all other shapes. Select all these shapes and apply Auto Shadow effect. Adjust the transparency, distance and blur values until we get desired shadow effect. Let's send few shapes to back so that their shadows don't appear on other shapes. Next we will create the gear shape at the center of this design using 12-point star shape. Draw it holding down Ctrl and Shift keys. Adjust the size using orange color edit point and then remove its outline. Next go to Insert tab and then draw the circle shape through center holding down Ctrl and Shift keys. Select both the shapes and then union them together. Again go to Insert tab and then draw the circle shape through center, slightly bigger than before. Select both the shapes and this time intersect them together to get our gear shape. Increase its size and rotate it to avoid overlaps with any other shapes. Next, making use of Format Painter, apply same gradient pattern and shadow effect. Next we will create the cut section at the middle of this gear shape. Go to Insert tab and then draw the circle shape. Select both the shapes and then subtract them. Finally, draw another circle shape through center and make sure it doesn't fill the entire gap. Remove its outline and making use of Format Painter, apply same gradient pattern and shadow effect. Adjust the gradient angle to set its gradient direction opposite to that of gear shape. Finally, add all text fields and PNG icons onto our design. Let's speed up to save time. So here is the final preview of this beautiful infographic design. Hope you all liked it. Please don't forget to like, share and comment. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.